Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with WooCommerce AI plugins via WordPress, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left-hand menu, hover over the Plugins section. Click on Add New to access the plugin repository. In the search bar, type WooCommerce AI and press Enter. Browse through the results and locate the AI plugin that suits your needs. Once you've found the plugin, click the Install Now button. Wait for the installation process to complete. After installation, the button will change to Activate. Click it to activate the plugin. Once activated, you will usually be prompted to configure the plugin settings. To do this, navigate to the WooCommerce settings, found in the left-hand menu. Click on the WooCommerce option, then choose the Settings submenu. Look for a new tab or section for the AI plugin you just activated. Click on that tab to open the configuration settings. Here, you will typically see fields to enter your API key or registration information. Obtain your API key from the plugin provider's official website. Follow their instructions to generate or access your API key. Return to your website and input the API key into the designated field. Review other settings the plugin may require, such as preferences for automation or AI-driven features. Once all settings are configured, click the Save Changes button at the bottom. To ensure everything is working correctly, visit your site's front end. Check for any visible elements or features added by the AI plugin. You may also want to review the plugin documentation for further optimization tips. Congratulations, you have successfully registered and configured a WooCommerce AI plugin via WordPress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.